to install Windows on your PC or laptop? Then you need a bootable USB. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to download Windows ISO, download Rufus, and turn your pendrive into a bootable USB completely free. First, open your browser and search for Windows 11 download. Open the official Microsoft website. Now scroll down until you see Download Windows 11 disk image. Select Windows 11, click Confirm, choose your language, and click Confirm to download. Now we need a tool to make the pendrive bootable. Search for Rufus. Open the official Rufus website. Scroll down and download the portable version. Rufus is lightweight, free, and one of the best tools for creating bootable USB drives. Now insert your pendrive into the computer. Make sure it has at least 8 GB storage. And remember, everything inside the pendrive will be erased, so back up your important files first. Your pendrive should automatically appear here. Now click Select. Choose the Windows ISO file you downloaded earlier. For most modern computers, keep the partition scheme as GPT. Now click Start. Rufus may ask to download additional files. Just click OK. And now wait for the process to complete. This can take several minutes depending on your USB speed. Once the status says ready, your bootable USB is complete. Now restart your PC. Open the boot menu, select your pen drive, and you can start installing Windows. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. And if you face any problem, comment below and I'll help you out.